Hi, I'm Mark Boyajian, and in this video, we're going to talk about selecting an RF channel for use with XIRIUM Pro. When setting up XIRIUM Pro, it's important to select the best RF channel. This can help to minimize interference from rogue or local RF signals and keep XIRIUM Pro from stepping on or affecting other RF systems in use. Depending upon which zone XIRIUM Pro is being used, there are 5 to 8 channels to which a transmitter may be set. Selecting the best RF channel is made possible by the use of a third-party RF analyzer. There are many different types of RF analyzers on the market, but the important features for XIRIUM Pro are that it be able to measure signals from as low as 2.4 GHz to as high as 6 GHz. Once the RF analyzer is set up, it's time to measure the RF present in the air. Set the frequency range or band into your RF analyzer. Here's what it might look like in your software. In the first example, we see that channels 153 and 157 are blocked or in use by a device or devices. Channel 149 is unused. We can now determine that channel 149 is the best channel for the TX to use. In the next example, we see a whole band of frequencies fully blocked, most probably because of an RF device using a channel hopping system. This technology is constantly switching RF channels to maintain the flow of data. For a reliable signal transmission of XIRIUM Pro to occur, the device using the hopping technology must be set to skip one of the 5 channels. For example, the wireless DMX system from Swedish company Wireless Solutions offers a dongle that allows their system to skip RF channels. To learn more about how XIRIUM Pro and wireless DMX systems can coexist in the same environment, please see our video on this subject. If the frequency hopping system cannot be programmed to skip RF channels, placing a directional antenna on the receiver, as well as turning on its 30 dB attenuator in the app, in concert with turning up the transmission power on the TX, will allow those high packet loss signals from causing any issue with the XIRIUM Pro transmission. Keep in mind that even if using measurement tools, the best method of selecting RF channels is speaking with the event or venue's RF management. If this position isn't offered, communicate directly with the technicians. Talk to the lighting, video, or IT departments to determine what channels they are using, and let them know what channels XIRIUM Pro can use. Coordinating RF channel management ahead of setup will save valuable time and troubleshooting efforts before a single device is installed. We'd like to stress just how important it is to measure the airwaves first and speak with the other event technicians on site. This will help to determine what devices are in use and on which channel. It will also help to avoid interference from the very beginning. Think of it this way. Imagine you have one female XLR. Well, there's only one male XLR that you can connect to it at a time. Well, the same is true with RF wireless systems. We hope you found this video helpful. For more information on XIRIUM Pro and other Neutrik products, please visit the Neutrik channel. Thanks for watching.